Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. I hope you had a good start to your week. Today, we're going to be talking about more and fewer. And let me show you my laptop, and I'll show you the workbook page we'll be working in your student journal today. All right, we are going to be working on page 41. There are going to be some sets of circles in the middle of your page. On this side, the left, I see a word that says fewer. That means less than the number of circles in the middle. So it says draw circles to show groups that have more and draw circles to show groups that have fewer. I'm going to start with fewer first today. Let's see. I think I'll do blue. And I see I have to count the ones in the middle first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or when I look at it, I notice it's 2 sets of 3, which makes 6. So I'm going to think, and you can do this using a number line, and I want to think what is one less. So I'm going to look at the numbers that come before 5 on a number line, and I'm going to do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is fewer than 5. Now, on the other side, I see it says more. So I want to draw a number of circles that is more than 6. If I'm using a number line, I can see which number comes after 6, and that would be 7 or anything after 7. I am going to use the same blue, and I'm going to do 7, and I'm going to count them as I draw them so I can keep track in my mind what I've got for my numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is more than 6. In box B, I see 4 circles. So I'm going to look at my number line, and I see 4, and one fewer or less than 4 could be 3. I'm going to switch to purple, and I'm going to do fewer than 4. 1, 2, 3 is fewer or less than 4. Now I want to do more. I want to draw more than 4. If I'm looking at a number line, I'm going to see what comes after 4 in a number line. It's 5 or anything after. So I'm going to do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is one more than 4. If I look at box C, I see circles. Now I'm going to count by 2, skip counting. 2, 4, 6, 8. I see 8 circles. Now I'm going to find 8 on the number line, and I'm going to see what is less or fewer than 8. I notice a 7. I am going to draw 7 circles because that will be fewer than 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, don't forget you have to add more than 8 now. I'm going to go back to my number line. I'm going to look at 8, and one more than 8 would be 9. One more is 9, so I'm going to do 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is one more than 8. For box D, I know just by looking that that's 5 dots. It's called subitizing when you just know by looking. But in math, there's one thing that we always do. We always check. So I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was right. Let me find 5 on my number line. It's right here. If I'm thinking of something fewer than 5 dots or less, I'm going to look to the left, and I see 4. I'm going to do 4 gold circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's always a good idea to count while you're drawing. Now I need to figure out what is more than 5. And if I go to the right on my number line, I notice there's a 6, and anything after would be more than 5. I'm going to do 6. And I remember 6 is 2 groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, last box, box E. I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me find 7 on the number line. Here it is. And I know if I look 1 to the left, I see 6. And if I cover up one of the circles in box E, that would also be 6. That's another strategy. I'm going to draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to come back to my number line and look at 7. And I notice to the right are 8, 9, 10. I can draw any of those. I think I'm going to do 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I did 2 more than 7 this time. If you don't have a number line, all you have to do is write numbers to 10, and that will help you with your assignment today. Everybody, try your best. Great job. I know you are going to be excellent mathematicians today.